Hey, I'm Matt with Good Neighbor Home Services. You know, your home's trim is something you kind of take for granted when you think about curb appeal. It's there, but then you don't really notice it unless something's really wrong. And a lot can go wrong with your home's trim, especially rot. Now, here's a piece of trim that I pulled off a home here in Oxford, and we replaced that trim here, as you can see. Trim covers up gaps in your home's construction, and it's part of the first line of defense that keeps water outside of your home. You need to keep an eye on your home's trim because it can affect your property value, it can affect your curb appeal, and it can even come up in an inspection report if you're trying to sell your home. So give us a call at Good Neighbor Home Services here in Oxford. We can help you out with your trim and so much more.